Good morning. So it's 10:30 in the morning. I have just spent the majority of the morning traveling. I'm sat at like a cafe thing right now. We've been traveling for around 2 hours. So we're going to a waterfall today. Yeah, we had to get up pretty early. We're going to feed the monkeys. Very hot. So we made it to the Ouzoud Waterfalls. I think it's called Ouzoud. I know it's a little bit like Ouzo, the drink. That's as close as I'm getting. Look how cute this is. Actually looks the same as the pictures, which is a good thing, because usually when you come to these sorts of things, like you don't look the same as the pictures. Jesus Christ! I better look well pretty on that.
Yeah.
Good morning, or should I say good afternoon. We have woke up pretty late today. We are off to go get a really late breakfast out of the hotel this time, so we can eat something a little bit different. Last night was passed out. Honestly, I had one glass of that wine and I was completely passed out. I was so tired. Today it's just like a lazy day by the pool. I really need to get on with some TikToks and some other work, you know, like editing and stuff. So it's gonna be a lazy day today, but I will still document every move. So I'm trying a breakfast called Namasa, and I've also come back for my favorite drink. This drink is unreal. So I'm ready to go out for a meal, going out for a very nice meal. Here I am. The bathroom is disgusting. So we've come to the really nice restaurant. It turns out it doesn't look like the pictures. On the reviews it's 10/10, so just waiting for a lamb to come through and some sweet potato. It's been a very, very chill day.